Welcome to Z's Bookshelf featuring Ebb and Flow.
All animals have babies. Some baby animals live in zoos. And you know how Elmo knows this? Well, his friend Diamond visited a zoo and told Elmo all about it. Elmo's friend Diamond went with her father to the animal farm to see and pet some baby animals. And they took along her brother, Emmanuel, who is a baby himself. The first thing they saw was a baby sheep. She's called a lamb, and Diamond petted it and gave it a little hug. Then they saw some baby cows, and Diamond petted one. She learned it's called a calf. And they saw some baby pigs and fed them some milk. Ooh, they were very hungry. Baby pigs are called piglets. Next they saw some baby ducks called ducklings. And Diamond fed them some corn. Emmanuel wanted a better look. Some baby chickens stopped by. Baby chickens are called chicks. And they saw some baby geese, which are called goslings. Then they took a ride and saw more baby animals. A baby deer, which is called a fawn. Emmanuel. A baby horse, which is called a foal. And finally, they saw baby goats, and they petted one. A baby goat is called a kid. Diamond and Emmanuel are also called kids. So two kids meant one kid.
Hope you had fun during Z's Bookshelf featuring Ebb and Flow. Log on to dailynoggin.com for more.